Yes, I'm doing a bike check on my bike. I have, starting up front, I got ODI long neck grips in orange with ODI Barnes. I can't stand them, they break always. Got S&M Grand Slam XLT bars. I really like them, like the size and dimensions. Got a stolen clutch stem with a stock faceplate because I snapped my bolts. Don't run hollow bolts, by the way. I snapped my bolts and then the faceplate bent and it wasn't fun. Alright, and then I got back up here I have a Oddesy CS1 race work, I think. My friend gave it to me. And I got an Oddesy hub with laced Oddesy hazard light. I bought it off my friend for 20. I got random zip ties in there for some reason. I was bored at my friend's house. I got a Curb Monkey tire. Love it. I really like the fat tire in the front. Holds up really good. Got Tree Little Buddy frame. And my friend hooked me up with a big discount. And I got a pivotal seat. I don't know what kind of seat. Got I traded my friend. And then stolen something seat post, steep post. I got crank stock Hoffman pedals because my bearings broke in my what's called Oddesy trail mix pedals, and yeah, I got myself on the other side. Got the tree sprocket, not spline drive. I got KHE half-link chain. My friend hooked me up with it. I got in the back I had a Madera hub laced with Primo spokes to a Alienation Runaway, and then for the back tire I got an Oddesy something, I don't know, my friend gave it to me when my tire popped. I don't know why, but my hub is really quiet for some reason, if you want to hear it. But yeah, so pretty much that's my bike check. There's a rundown of it. It's a 20.5-inch frame. Love the dimensions of the frame. And yeah, so there's my bike. There's from the back, this side, and from the front.